Ready to become a retail rockstar and lead the way in the dynamic world of retail? Explore LSPM's online retail and sales management courses and unlock the skills to drive success. From mastering customer service techniques to implementing inventory management strategies, our courses empower you to excel in every aspect of retail management. Don't just meet sales targets, exceed them. Enroll now in LSPM's online retail and sales management courses and pave the way for your success in the retail industry. Join us and become a retail leader. Your journey to becoming a standout in retail management starts here with LSPM. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.